There is a specific kind of freedom that comes from gear so small you actually forget you are wearing it. You clip a tiny device to your pocket or your shirt and suddenly your hands are completely free to move. No heavy chest straps, no bulky head mounts. This little body camera is built on that exact promise of total convenience. It is so incredibly light that it feels almost like a toy in your palm. Most people look at something this size and hope it might finally be the thing to replace those expensive, chunky action cameras we all know. But we have to look past the tiny frame to see what is really going on inside. The setup process is easily the best part of the whole experience. You turn it on. You press a single record button. That is it. There are no complicated touchscreen menus to fight with. There are no deep subfolders of settings that require a manual to understand. For a beginner or someone who just wants to capture a moment fast, that simplicity is a huge win. You do not need to be a filmmaker to get this thing running. However, that ease of use comes with some very real trade-offs when you actually look at your footage later. The box might claim high resolution, but the lens tells a much different story. The sharpness is passable at best. The colors often look a bit thin and washed out. If you are standing in direct sunlight, the sky can easily turn into a bright white blob. If you move into the shadows, that detail tends to disappear into the darkness. It is a struggle for a sensor this small to handle tricky lighting. Then there is the issue of movement. If you are standing still or walking slowly, the image is steady enough for a casual clip. But as soon as you start running or doing anything active, the footage starts to jitter and shake. It lacks the advanced stabilization found in the premium brands. This is definitely not the tool for someone trying to film a mountain bike descent or a high-speed chase. The battery life is another thing to watch out for. You get a very short window of time to record before the power dies. It is designed for quick snippets of your life rather than a full day of adventure. You will likely find yourself looking for a charging cable much sooner than you expected. The audio quality is basic as well. It picks up your voice, but it also catches every single gust of wind and background noise around you. If your goal is to make professional content where sound matters, this will likely frustrate you. It is also important to realize that this design is very common. You might see this exact same device sold under many different names across the web. It is a generic build that focuses on being affordable and portable. It is not a rugged piece of equipment. You cannot drop this on a rocky trail and expect it to keep ticking like a high-end action camera. It feels like a fun gadget for casual use. Use it to record a walk through a new city or a quick interaction. Just do not expect it to be a professional killer. The big names in the industry still hold the crown for a reason. They offer better sensors, better stabilization, and much better durability. This little camera is a specific tool for a specific person. It is for someone who wants a cheap, easy way to record hands-free without any fuss. It is tiny. It is simple. It is remarkably light. But it is not a cinematic powerhouse. If you keep your expectations in check, it can be a handy little accessory. Just know that it is a casual companion, not a professional workhorse.